Hi, everyone. Let's talk about a big shift happening in the US economy right now. Spending is no longer broad-based, it's being carried almost entirely by high-income households. Surveys show that families making over $100,000 a year kept spending heavily this summer. Meanwhile, middle and lower income groups have been quietly cutting back. On the surface, the economy looks strong, but in reality, it's being propped up by a much smaller group. So what does this mean for everyday people? Let's break it down into three groups. 1. High-income households. If you're in this category, you're probably still enjoying luxury services and personalized experiences. But here in the catch, everyone wants a slice of this. Supply is growing fast. That means you need to be cautious, focus on experiences or assets that are truly scarce, not just overpriced trends. Otherwise, you risk overspending on things that will lose value quickly. Middle-income households, or likely feeling the squeeze but still want a decent lifestyle. The smart move here is to prioritize spending that gives real value and prepare for interest rate cuts that could mean refinancing your mortgage when the Fed eases, or leaning toward more defensive investments in essentials. In short, don't chase luxury, but don't give up on growth either. Theme 3. Lower income households, you may not have much extra to spend, but that doesn't mean you're left out. In fact, their opportunity here become the provider of high-value services that wealthier people are willing to pay for. Think niche crafts, personalized travel, help at home services. These don't need huge capital, but they tap into exactly where the money is flowing. So the takeaway is simple. What looks like a booming economy is actually fragile, held up by a minority. Your job is to recognize which group you belong to and then act accordingly, whether that means protecting your wealth, positioning for growth, or creating services that capture wealthy spending. In short, the economy might not need you to spend, but